Hi. The collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, on March 8, 2023, had significant consequences on the financial sector and raised concerns about systemic risk and potential future crises. The collapse of SVB, whose assets were confiscated by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, was the second largest bank failure in U.S. history and the largest since the 2008 global financial crisis. The U.S. government quickly intervened to ensure that all SVB account holders could retrieve their funds, while the U.K. government promised to protect customer deposits without using taxpayer money. Additionally, HSBC acquired Silicon Valley Bank UK for £1, which helped to provide some reassurance to the market. However, the collapse of SVB raised questions about risk management and compliance within the banking sector. Asset managers were criticized for investing in bonds maturing in 10 to 15 years, despite the likelihood of price drops. Moreover, SVB's management and major shareholders were criticized for failing to intervene in the situation. Several major financial institutions, including Deutsche Bank and Credit Suisse, continue to hold significant amounts of bonds on their balance sheets, raising concerns about potential future crises. As a result of these developments, investors are pricing in the possibility of the Fed not changing interest rates at all for reasons of caution, while the European Central Bank may also slow down its rate hikes. In response to the collapse of SVB, the U.S. Federal Reserve held an emergency meeting on March 14, 2023, which could have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Experts suggest that the Fed may cut interest rates to protect more banks from collapse, and the outcome of the meeting could affect the market. In addition, the publication of the Consumer Price Index, CPI, is expected to be released after the emergency Fed meeting. If the actual value of the CPI exceeds the forecast, it could cause a jump in prices in the market. Conversely, if the value falls below the expected value, prices could fall. The announcement of a backstop to avoid a banking crisis and the resolution that HSBC will buy SVB is reassuring for the market. Smaller tech startups' operations and liquidity are unlikely to be affected in the near term, instilling confidence that the systemic risk that markets fear will not materialize. Overall, the collapse of SVB has highlighted the importance of risk management and compliance in financial institutions, and the potential for future crises cannot be ignored. However, the innovative solutions implemented to protect the sector, such as the sale of Silicon Valley Bank by the way, help me develop the channel, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I will be very grateful to you. Bye.